Cheers!
Hi guys, this is Richard Yap and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here with my daughter Ashley Sandrine.
Hi!
And marami kayong nagsabi na gusto nyo makita na magluluto kami. So, we're going to start out with something that's simple. Kasi, this was something that I used to do when we were still kids. Bata pa ako, high school pa kami. Me and my sisters. Usually pag summer, wala kang pasok. Late kami natutulog. And during the night, sometimes you're dead hungry. Ano ibig sabihin ng dead hungry? In
Patay
Tagalog,
gutom.
patay gutom. Lakas namin kumain ng rice nung bata ka pa, di ba? Especially when you're teenagers, ang lakas mo sa rice. So, ang favorite talaga namin gawin is yung fried rice. So, ngayon, nasa ECQ tayo, naka-lockdown tayo, hindi tayo makabili ng mga kung ano ng mga ingredients, di ba? So I figured na tuturuan ko kayo. Well, it's a really very simple recipe, pero pwede niyong gawin sa bahay. You can do it with any ingredient that you have.
Everyone can do it.
Everyone can do it. Hindi lang, you don't need any special na recipe na kailangan mong bilhin.
Or ingredients.
No?
Yeah. Okay, so we'll show them the ingredients muna.
Okay.
We have probably, is this 1/4 and then 1/3 stick of butter.
Depende kasi kung gaano
Kung
kadami
gaano
yung
yung
rice mo.
And then 3 eggs.
3 eggs?
Yes.
For sure.
And then
We're using Vienna sausages. Actually, you can use anything you have. You can use hot dog, you can use luncheon meat, anything that meron kayo sa bahay, pwede niyong gamitin. Pero I'm very partial to Vienna sausage kasi gusto ko yung lasa niya. Okay? And then, of course, we have the rice.
Siyempre, depende na sa inyo kung ilan ba yung kakain, gano'n. So, kayo na magtansya.
And
then,
we have soy sauce.
Kikkoman.
Okay? We use Kikkoman kasi this is something like Japanese fried rice. Kaya, ito ang ginagamit namin. But you can use soy sauce. You can use any other soy sauce that we have. And then, of course, pepper and salt.
Yes. And then, okay, so Daddy's gonna teach me how we're gonna do it.
So we start off by preparing your ingredients, and then slice na natin yung Vienna sausages. Start off with the Vienna sausages. Slice mo into little bits. Usually pag nagsa-slice ka, dapat nakaganon yung kamay para hindi ma-slice off yung kamay mo. Yung iba kasi nakaganon. So minsan napuputol yung, marami na ako nakita na na-slice yung kamay nila na ganon. So dapat nakaganon.
Okay, kailan lang pala.
Yeah. You can do the rest.
Okay, kailan lang pala.
Yeah. You can do the rest.
So Daddy, sino nag-invent ng recipe na to?
Actually, nakita rin namin yan sa mga Japanese restaurants. Pag nagluluto sila, di ba meron silang window na doon pinapakita nila paano nila ginagawa. Minodify na lang namin kung ano mga ingredients. Of course, pwede ka maglagay ng mga mushroom, pwede ka maglagay ng carrots or whatever vegetables you want. Pero ito simple lang.
Para mabilis
anytime you want it, mabilis gawin.
I'm left-handed. So, yeah, okay na ba yan?
Yep.
And then, what will we do?
Should be okay. And then,
we're moving na to
we
the
can start
stove.
cooking already. Ready na yung ingredients natin.
Super bilis lang.
Actually, ano lang talaga to. You can do it anytime, anywhere. Well, not anywhere.
Anytime, anywhere. Okay, wait. So we are in the kitchen and Daddy is gonna tell me what to do. We heated up the pan already. So what's the first thing that we do?
Of course, nag-preheat tayo, but instead of using oil na, we're using butter. So we need to put in the butter first.
Okay.
Melt mo na lang yung butter.
Bango ng butter.
Of course. Yun ang nagpapasarap dun yung butter. It's sinful but
But
sarap.
what do you recommend? Salted or unsalted? Or it doesn't matter?
It doesn't really matter kasi pwede mo naman bawasan yung salt mo na lang para instead of using unsalted. Kasi maglalagay ka rin naman ng salt. Then you can put in the rice, no?
Si Daddy, marami siyang experience sa ganito kasi luto siya ng chow fan. Joke.
Tsaka magaling magluto yung mami ko. Magaling talaga siya. She used to sell Chinese cooked ham. And magaling siya gumawa ng homba.
So, marunong ka, Daddy?
At that time, ayaw niya akong turuan kasi ang sinasabi ng mami ko, ang yung mga lalaki dapat wala sa kitchen. So, medyo old-fashioned yung mami ko, hindi ako naturuan. Naturuan niya yung mga babae ko na, yung syempre mga kapatid kong babae, sila ang natuturuan. Of course, ngayon it's too late to ask them, pero well, I still can.
So, hindi ka talaga, like, wala kang idea how they do it?
Marami silang recipe na hindi ko talaga natutunan eh. Gumagawa pa si mami ng chicken oven pie and all that. Marami siyang ginagawa.
Okay, and then?
Okay.
So,
And
do I
then
have to make it yellow or it's fine?
No, it's fine. Basta you keep on stirring it para hindi masunog yung ilalim. Okay? And then we can put in the eggs already.
You just pour it all
Yeah,
over?
pour it. We use 3 eggs for this kasi medyo marami yung kanin. So that your rice gets that yellow na color. It's from the egg. And of course, mas masarap kung may egg. Ito kasi kung may sobra kayong kanin, pwede nyo gawin ganito.
Para hindi boring.
Yeah, at saka kung ayaw nyo na ibang ulam, parang ito, all-in-one na rin, pwede na. And then you can put in the sausages again. So if you want to put in siguro mga carrots or whatever. Usually pag mga Japanese restaurants, they cook it over strong fire. No? Kaya pwede nila i-ano yung sa wok. Pero since wala tayong industrial burner, dito muna tayo sa medium heat lang.
You wanna do it, Tati?
Then you can put in the soy sauce.
How much?
Ano lang yan, tansya-tansya lang kasi yan eh. 3 to 4 tablespoons siguro.
Talaga na tablespoon.
Sinasabi kasi nila, it's better kulang kaysa sobra, especially
Kasi
yung
masyadong
alat.
maalat.
Diba? So,
Ay, sorry.
bawasan yung share mo.
Diet ako, diet.
Then we can put in the pepper,
Pepper.
salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. You can use any type of salt, rock salt or iodized salt. We use ground salt and pepper.
Ooh. And then, Daddy, paano malalaman if okay na siya? Like, if the egg is cooked and everything?
Cook na yan. Pero, yan, painitin lang natin para pumasok lahat ng flavors. And then,
That's
you
it?
can taste it if you want. See if it's okay. Okay, get a clean spoon.
Mhm. Kamusta?
It's good. It lacks a little bit of salt and pepper lang siguro at
Sige,
saka soy
that's
sauce.
good.
We'll add some more soy sauce.
Parang feeling kong konti ng soy sauce.
Yeah, kulang yun. Add a little more salt. According Very buttery taste.
Nga. Sakto yung butter that we put.
Not too much, not too little.
And
So,
may special guest tayo, di ba?
yeah. So, hindi lang ako nagluto nito. May tumulong sa atin na isang chef. Papakilala ko sa inyo.
Surprise guest.
So, this has been Richard Yap. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And let us know what other types of food you guys would want us to cook or what other videos you guys would want us to do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah. And we'll have more cooking demos next time. Meron ako mga recipes which I learned from culinary class. So, we'll do some of those next time. May mga desserts, meron mga pasta, and all that. So, habang naka-lockdown tayo, we'll do something productive. Okay? See you soon!
Bye!